Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop G8000. This powerful robot vacuum cleaner is designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. With 2,700 pascals strong suction, it's perfect for hard floors and can even handle short and medium pile carpets. But what really sets the G8000 apart is its smart navigation system. Instead of just randomly bumping around, this robot vacuum follows an efficient zigzag path, improving cleaning efficiency by 30%. And with its app, voice, and remote control capabilities, you can easily customize your cleaning preferences and schedule. One of the coolest features of the G8000 is its 2-in-1 capability. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops your floors, leaving them completely clean and spotless. Plus, with the ability to connect to Alexa and Google Home, you can control it with just the sound of your voice. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping, the G8000 is the perfect solution for you. And with its self-charging abilities, you can set it and forget it. So why not make your life a little easier and invest in the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop G8000? You can find the link in the description below to purchase yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.